Hey, welcome to the Fluent English Vibes. Today, we're learning how to ask or tell teammates to change the time of virtual meetings in remote work. I'll teach 3 polite phrases to reschedule like a pro. Let's dive in. Imagine you're in a remote team and the Zoom meeting time doesn't work. Here's how I'd handle it. Hey team, I have a scheduling conflict. Can we push back the call to 3 p.m.? Or let's shift gears and meet tomorrow morning instead. Those phrases, scheduling conflict, push back, shift gears, make rescheduling smooth and polite. Let's unpack these. Scheduling conflict explains why you need a change, like, I've got a scheduling conflict at 2. Or say time clash, like, there's a time clash, can we move it? Push back means delaying, like, can we push back the call to 4? Try move back, like, let's move back the meeting to 3 p.m. Shift gears suggests a new time, like, let's shift gears to 11 a.m. Use switch up, like, can we switch up the time to tomorrow? These keep you polite and natural. Try push back or another phrase in a meeting and share it in the comments. Subscribe to Fluent English Vibes for more episodes. Catch you later.